Time is your friend. Impulse is your enemy. There is a time to go long, a time to go short, and a time to go fishing. Do not anticipate and move without market confirmation. Being a little late in your trade is your insurance that you are right or wrong. The desire for constant action irrespective of underlying conditions is responsible for many losses in Wall Street, even among the professionals, who feel that they must take home some money every day, as though they were working for regular wages. Money is made by sitting, not trading. I learned early that there is nothing new in Wall Street. There can't be, because speculation is as old as the hills. Whatever happens in the stock market today has happened before and will happen again. I've never forgotten that. Why do you think unsuccessful traders are obsessed with market analysis? They crave the sense of certainty that analysis appears to give them. Although few would admit it, the truth is that the typical trader wants to be right on every single trade. Traders desperately trying to create certainty where it just doesn't exist. If you can learn to create a state of mind that is not affected by the market's behavior, the struggle will cease to exist.